India's National Democratic Alliance, NDA, of political parties led by the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, of outgoing Prime Minister Narendra Modi met on 5th June 2024 at his residence and unanimously re-elected Modi as the leader and to stake claim to form the next government with Modi as a hat-trick Prime Minister. In a landmark election, with 640 million plus people exercising their franchise of total 980 million voters, the NDA won 293 of the 543 seats in the lower house of parliament, the Lok Sabha. The Indian National Congress, INC, led India Alliance won 232 seats. As is customary, PM Modi called on the President of India, Mrs. Draupadi Murmu, and tendered his resignation that was accepted and she asked him to continue as caretaker Prime Minister. Modi-led NDA will meet with the President on 5th June evening to hand over the communique from the NDA bearing a resolution affirming the alliance and electing Modi as their leader. It is expected that Modi will be sworn in as Prime Minister on 8th June 2024. India Alliance leaders have said Modi should own moral responsibility to quit as his BJP did not secure a single party majority of 272. However, Modi claimed in his victory speech at BJP headquarters on 4th June evening after election results that he is ready to hem the government again. Modi wants to lead as he has with the stated goal to make India a developed nation by 2047, marking India's 100 years of independence from the British. The challenge for Modi will now be to consult, coordinate and share power with smaller regional parties to transform economy and make India a leading power in world politics. One would watch how Modi ensures that national priorities and national interests prevail over interests of alliance partners. NDA meeting on 5th June was attended by all alliance leaders from TDP, JDU, SHS, JDS, LJP, RV, HAM, JSP, NCP, ADS, RLD, UPPL, AGP, SKM, AJSU. All put their signatures on the communique to be submitted to the President. In terms of priority and agenda, the signed communique said the NDA will focus on serving the poor, women, youth, farmers, exploited, underserved, backward, victimized people of India. This brings to a close a historic election, the largest in the world, and one in which only for the second time a Prime Minister would serve a third consecutive term.